Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Ocean Cleanup hobby in Heartopia. So this hobby was added during the Call of Whales event, where you will receive the Ocean's Purifier tool to clean up pollutions in the Whalefall Canyon undersea map like this. This tool, like this, you can see it. And if you are a new player or started the event late, don't worry, unlocking it is super easy. First, just head to the Whalefall Canyon through the portal near the whale sea over here. Over there you can enter this map through this portal. It's located at the whale sea over here, over here, this one. And then after that, after you reach this Whalefall Canyon, then just talk to NPC Rory. In here I can show the exact dialogues or meet her because I have already unlocked this hobby, but after speaking with Rory, you will unlock the Whalefall Canyon Explorations menu like this, the Whalefall Canyon Explorations, and then after that, just simply upgrade your explorations to level 2 like this, and then after you reach this level, after you unlock this level, you will activate or unlock this Ocean Cleanup hobby. And once it unlocked, you will receive the training quest, and then after that you will get the Ocean's Purifier to remove pollutions around the undersea area. And then after that you will collect lots of different seashells as a rewards, which you can sell it or use to craft furniture, and you will also need them for future explorations quests. And then after you unlock this Ocean's Clean Up, in here you can also upgrade your hobby. This one you can see it. You can upgrade this hobby using special Oceans Cleanup upgrade ticket like this, which are rewarded as you progress through the Whalefall Canyon explorations over here. When you keep increase your level on here, you will get this Oceans Cleanup hobby upgrade ticket. So make sure you keep increase your level on the Whalefall Canyon map like this. And okay, that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.